Hello students, welcome in part number second beta. So now we are going to start missing words exercises. Let's start with first exercise. When he came back late Delhi, he looked sad. I asked him he was feeling all right. At this he began weep bitterly. I too deeply moved. After time he said that his father expired. All of a sudden I consoled him and some examples of such deaths. So, in this stanza, one word is missing in every sentence, beta. Okay? In every line, like A, B, C, D, options are there. So, there are some words, missing words are there. We have to find out and we have to put. Okay? So, let's start with first. When he came back late, Delhi. So, what is missing here? He late from where? From Delhi. So from will be answer here. In second line, he looked sad. He looked very sad. What is missing here? Very. He looked very sad. I asked him if he was feeling all right. I asked him if will be answer here beta. Okay. If he was feeling all right. At this he began to weep bitterly. At this he began to weep bitterly. To will be added here. In next line, I too deeply moved. So what is missing here? I too deeply moved. I too was deeply moved. Okay, क्योंकि पास्ट में है तो हमने क्या बोला? I too was deeply moved. After some time, some is missing. After some time, he said that his father had expired. His father had expired. All of, what is missing here? All of a sudden. All of a sudden, I consoled him and gave. Okay. And gave some examples of such deaths. Okay beta, so our stanza is completed now. Now come to stanza number 8. English is useful language. The people who speak English today make the largest speech community in the world. A speech community is similar other kinds community. The people who form speech community share a common language. Often they live side as they in a neighborhood, a village or a city, more often from the whole country. So there also same missing words are there. Okay, as we did in stanza number 7. यहाँ भी कुछ missing है. Let's see what is missing here. English is useful. So what is missing here beta? English is a useful language. Okay, English is a useful language. The people who, what is missing here? The people who speak English today make up, yes, today make up the largest speech community in the world. In the world, a speech community is similar to other kinds of community. Okay, यहाँ पे of आएगा, of community. The people who form a speech community, okay, A आएगा यहाँ पे, who form a speech community share a common language. Often they live side by side. Okay, side by side as they do in neighborhood, a village or a city. More often they form the whole country. So यहाँ पे दे आएगा बेटा. So this is stanza number 8. Now the stanza number 9 beta. Let's see what is mistaken here and what to add here. Celebration form integral fabric of India's culture. The amazing array festivals celebrated across length and breadth of incredible land of India is simply said be spellbinding. In festivals there is gaiety round, happily होता है, and in India festivals are feast sites. So what to add in first line? Celebration form an integral fabric, and will be answer. An integral fabric of India's culture, the amazing array of festivals. Okay, of festivals, O will be answer. Of festivals celebrated across length and breadth of the incredible land of India is simply said to be spellbinding. Okay, to be spellbinding. In festivals there is gaiety round. In India festivals are feast of sites. Okay, so these type of questions will be in your exam, beta. You have to make it practiced well. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.